2011 Kenworth T370, Powellfinger PK 10,000 knuckle boom crane, 5:29 ratio, 24 by 102 flatbed with wooden deck, 54,600 pound GVWR, dual aluminum 75-gallon tanks, deep low profile 22.5 rubber, Packard PX8 engine, 330 horse, $163,000 original miles, Allison 3000 RDS automatic, maximum lifting capacity of 12,300 pounds, max outreach of 26 foot 3 inches at 2,470 pounds. For more information, give us a call or check out our website.